In this video, I'm going to show you how to add effects in Cakewalk. Now, there's actually two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both of them right now. The first one's going to be very easy. You simply want to go and open this browser here on the right, and you want to go to the top and click on plugins. In here, you can find your effects. So we have a bunch of things. You have BandLab, Delay, Channel Strip, EQ, etc. And you can just go ahead and use any of these. You can go and, of course, just like click on it, and you can drag it onto your audio and use it just like that, okay? When you drag it on, you'll see, there we go, there's going to be your effects, and you can use them from here. But I do think there's one more convenient way, which is if you go to your track where you want your effects to be. So as you can see, if you do it that way, your effects are up here, so you can just click. And if you, of course, click on a specific one 2 times, so double click, it's going to pop up and allow you to kind of change this. Now, that's great if you actually want to put effects onto a single audio clip like this. But if you want them on the entire track, you want to go to the track here, and you can see FX over here. You want to make sure that you actually have this enabled, and you want to go and click on the plus button, and from here insert audio FX, and here you can just go ahead and find your effect. So there's going to be a lot of similar ones that over here on the right. I'm going to go to these BandLab ones over here, and for example, I'm going to use this gain one over here. I'm going to click on it, and you can see, there we go, the gain effect has been added. If I go and click on the plus button again, I can go and add as many as I want. So I'm going to go and add this, for example, EQ, there we go. And as you can see, if I now double click on any of these, it's going to open up the settings, and I can change them for my specific track. That's how to add effects. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.